Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. Today I just wanted to do a quick video and show you the new crystal crossbody bag that I made. I posted the tutorial about a week ago or so, maybe a little bit longer, of the crystal crossbody bag tutorial, and the PDF pattern link to the PDF pattern is in the description of that video. But I wanted to show you another version that I made of it because I still hadn't really got a good picture of the bag. I have no idea what happened to those bags that I made when I made the tutorials, which was I think 2018. No clue where those bags are. So I had to make another one so I can take a good picture for my website. So a while back I made this embroidery baby Yoda on some denim fabric, and it had just been sitting around, so I decided that I would go ahead and cut it out into the crystal crossbody bag using denim fabric. And what I did with this one, as you can probably tell, I made it a little bit bigger because I didn't want to compromise the embroidery. So I made it a little bit bigger. Hope you can see this. It's a really cute bag. And I used denim. And what I did slightly different, because I was being lazy, I didn't do any lining for my front pocket. All I did was serge around the edges. So that way, that will save me from having to do a lining. So the inside of the bag is just the wrong side of the denim. But I just serged around the edges of the denim, which kind of helped as well because, you know, denim can be kind of thick and hard to sew with sometimes. So not using a lining made it a little bit bigger a little bit better for sewing this front pocket. And of course I added snaps to it, just like I did in the video. And it still has the zipper pocket in the back. I also did this one differently. Instead of cutting two for the top, I just cut one for the top, and then I cut the bottom and I cut the lining a little bit bigger. And so the pocket wouldn't be open here at the top. The pocket is just open here at the bottom, right? And I'll do a tutorial eventually on how I did that. But if you need something right away, the Denim pouch, I can't remember who it's by. If I remember, I will pop it on the screen. But there are several tutorials on YouTube doing the Denim pouch, and how they do their front pocket, their front zipper pocket for that pouch is the same way I did my zipper pocket for this crystal crossbody bag. All right, so I just wanted to show you this real quick, and it has my favorite Marvel fabric, my Marvel Avengers fabric. I know you probably can't see that very well, but it has some Marvel's Avengers fabric on the inside for the inside lining. But overall, I like it. I like that I was able to make it a little bit bigger. So I didn't really change the length of it, just mostly the width I changed. So I added maybe about 2 inches to each side. I can't be sure of that because I did this so long ago. But yeah, so that's the crystal crossbody bag made out of denim, and my front pocket has a little baby Yoda on it. All right, it has the back pocket, and I just used some webbing, some black webbing. I didn't have any blue. If I had blue, I would have used blue, but I just used some black webbing for my strap for the bag. And I like this. This is something that I would pull out and carry if I'm just running errands or going shopping or something like that. So, all right. So just wanted to show you my version, my newer version of the crystal crossbody bag. All right. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next video.